Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mission Math Minds. I'm Sushma. In our last class we studied about the pair of linear equations in a two variables for the intersecting lines. And this class we are going to study about parallel lines. Because last class only I said how the parallel lines will exist. Because intersecting means the two lines is crossing each other and getting a unique solution. So that's an intersecting line. Parallel lines, the two lines what we are getting, it is having an equal distance between. Coincidence lines we are going to learn in a next class. Now we are going to learn parallel lines. Here we have a question that is 5x minus y plus 7 is equals to 0. 10x minus 2y plus 15 is equals to 0. So let's find out the points which are all we are going to get solutions for this. So first I'll mention this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So first I'll take equation 1. Equation 1 we have 5x minus y plus 7 is equals to 0. So here first we need to put as points for x, and because of that we need to get y. Answer x comma y we will write here. First I am going to take for x minus 1. By substituting this we will get minus 5. 5 into minus 1 will get minus 5. 7 minus 5 we will get 2, and by sign changing we will get minus minus get cancels. Answer is we are getting 2. So therefore minus 1 comma 2 is the answer for this. Next one we are going to put 0. If we put a 0, 5 into 0 will get 0. So therefore we will get the answer is 7. 0 comma 7. Next I'll put 1. 5 into 1 will get 5. 7 plus 5 we will get 12. So by sign changing we will get 12. 1 comma 12. Next one, equation 2. What we have equation 2? 10x minus 2y plus 15 is equals to 0. X, y, x comma y. Now we will substitute value for x. I'll substitute minus 1 only. Want means you can put other values also. For example, you can put 3, 2, otherwise you can put 20 like that also. So then also we'll get a parallel lines only for this question. Minus 1, then I'll get place of x. 10 into minus 1 will get minus 10. 15 minus 10, by subtracting we will get 5. By dividing 5 by 2 we will get 2.5. The answer is minus 1 comma 2.5. Next one, 0. By substituting this, 10 into 0, 0. So we will get 15. 15 divided by 2, we will get 7.5. Answer is 0 comma 7.5. Next one I substitute. By substituting 1, I'll get 10 into 1, 10. 10 plus 15 we will get 25. That one divided by 2 we will get 12.5. 1 comma 12.5 we will get. Now we got all the solutions. We will mention that one in a graph and we will draw graph how we are going to get a parallel lines. So in this first equation I'll go through with the first equation. X value is minus 1. So here we have a x is equals to minus 1 and y value is 2. So y axis is this. So here we have a 2. X is 1, y is 2. Here we are going to get. Next one, 0, 7. X value is 0. That means it will be in a axis only. 7, in this axis where we are getting 7, here we are getting 7. So this is for the next one, 1. X value is 1, positive, here only we have, and y value is 12. Here we have a 12, so it's in the place of 1. So here we are going to get this. Let's join this. Joining I got a one line. I'll mark the solutions points here. That is, first one is -1, 2. Next one 0, 7, and another one is 1, 12. For this one, the equation is 5x minus y plus 7 is equals to 0. So now we will do for our next equation. -1, we have a 2.5. -1, 2.5, it will come in between 3 and 2, in the middle of this. So here we may get. Next one, x value is 0, y value is 7.5. In between 8 and 7, middle it will come, that is a 7.5. And next one, x value is 1 and y value is 12.5. In middle of 12 and 13, it will be here. So let's rejoin this. Joining all the points, we got another one straight line. I'll mark the points. First one as a -1, 2.5. Next one 0, 7.5. And other one is 1, 12.5. And the equation we have for this is 10x minus 2y plus 15 is equals to 0. You can see here we are getting a parallel lines, because from here to here how much gap is there, here also we have that much only. 0.5 difference is there everywhere. Because of this we are getting a parallel lines. We can also see by the obtained graph the straight lines are representing the parallel lines. Therefore we can write the straight lines representing parallel lines. I hope you people enjoyed this video. Like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you so much.